This is the, hold on, it says on the,
What's here?
I forget.
It's a very gray elevator. Like, look at everything's just gray.
Oh my. Oh, that's the light pattern. I thought that was on the wall. Oh yeah, everything is gray. The door, the bumper, the interior, the stainless steel.
This is the
Oh, and in typical Dover fashion, the bumper's cracked.
You know,
Why
it's
is it always
the Grove building.
the Grove building?
All right, let's listen to the motor.
I say we take a second ride up. What is that?
It's the part they didn't paint.
They ran out of paint, but they had enough black construction papers, so they called it a day. It smells weird.
It does.
We'll push the button when the door closes.
All right, so listen to start up.
Yeah, because it was kind of like loud and clunky.
What?
Oh, they put Velcro.
That's gonna fall off completely. So
Oh my God, you're
ready?
right.
Here we go. There's so many of these where like it sits on one, so the one doesn't work.
Yeah. Get a shot of that. Dover. And then a shot of the COP. Anyway, that will be it.